Hi everyone, how you doing? Today we're going to be making one of these sliding knot paracord bracelets. They're really easy to do. I first saw this on board paracord and it's just a good, fun, quick thing to make. So here we go. Right, I've got my cord. Now I've got about 18 inches here. You don't need that amount, I just cut some. But what you need to do, get your cord and make a loop like this. So your right hand side goes over the left hand like that. How much cord do you need? Well, you need enough to fit over your hand, because obviously you're going to be sliding it over your hand, so you need enough cord to get over your hand, like that. So I've got the cord like this, I made a loop. Now we're going to make a scaffold knot. So what we're going to do, I've got this cord that's behind everything. I'm going to loop it over here twice. So go over once, like that. Now the second time across, I'm going to put it that way next to my thumb. So I'm going to go over again, like that. Bring it up behind everything. And then, let's go in a bit, shall we? And then what I'm going to do is poke the end through the two loops. So get the end, poke it through the loops and pull it together. Squish it down, pull it together. Now don't pull it too tight or else it won't slide. But don't leave it too loose or else it'll go all over the place. So I've pulled it together like that. Now you know if you've done it right, you've got an X on one side and two nice straight bits on the other. Like that. And then all you do is flip the bracelet over and do it again on the other side. So I've got this loose end here. I'm going to bring it over once. I'm going to bring it over again towards my thumb. And I'm going to get the end. I'm going to poke it through. Oops. It's fiddly doing this. I'm looking through the camera and not what I'm doing. Hang on. But you know what I'm doing, you poke it through both of these loops. Oh dear, oh dear. There you go. Poke it through the loops and cinch it up. Don't forget, just pull it together, not too tight, or you'll get too much resistance and it'll be too hard to adjust the bracelet. And there you go. Now what we do, snip and singe. Now, what you need to do here, whoops, go close to the knot, but leave a little bit. So I kind of do a width of the scissor blade and give it a snip. Nice sharp scissors work best with this. And then just melt it. Like this. I normally melt it until it bubbles over. Like that. And I'll get my tool or something cold and metal and flatten it into the knot. There. Don't forget, this is very hot. Now we're going to flip it over on the other side. Do exactly the same thing. Get my scissors. Get close to the knot, but not too much. And snip it like that. And singe again. Oh, I've left quite a lot of cord there. Never mind. Don't burn your fingers. Just the cord. And I'm just slow burning the cord on top, melting it down until it covers. You've got a nice kind of bubble of molten plastic. Like that. You can use scissors, you don't need one of these fancy tools. And then squish it into the knot. Like that. Zoom back out again. And there you have it, your sliding knot paracord bracelet. Now YouTube would like you to watch this video here, and I would like you to watch this playlist here. So off you go, and I shall see you later. Bye.